In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account country on YouTube. This will change what videos YouTube recommends, the charts you see, and the news section it highlights for you. First, go to youtube.com. Open your browser and type youtube.com into the address bar, then press enter. You should see the familiar YouTube homepage, with the logo in the top left and a grid of video thumbnails filling the center of the screen. Now sign into your account. Look to the top right corner of the page. If you are not signed in, you will see a blue sign in button there. Click that button, then sign in with the Google account you use for YouTube. Once you are signed in, your profile picture or a colored circle with your initial appears in that same top right corner, showing you are ready to adjust your settings. With that ready, click your profile picture. A menu opens underneath it, dropping down over the top right part of the page. This menu includes options like Your Channel, YouTube Studio, and Switch Account. If you manage more than one channel, you may also see a list of accounts here. Do not worry, you are only changing the country for the account that is currently active, which is the one shown at the top of this menu. Next up, click Location. In that same drop-down menu, scroll if needed until you see the location option. It usually appears below Language and above Restricted Mode. Click the word Location, and a side menu appears showing a long list of countries and regions. This list controls which local recommendations, trending charts, and news content YouTube shows you, without changing your actual Google account address. After that, select your country. From the list that opened, click the country or region you want YouTube to use. As soon as you click, the menu closes automatically, and you return to the YouTube page. A quick detail many beginners miss: the location line in the profile menu updates instantly to show the country you just picked, so you can always reopen the menu to double-check your choice. At this point, refresh YouTube. Click the refresh button in your browser, or press Ctrl and R on Windows, or Command and R on a Mac. The page reloads, and your home feed, trending or explore sections, and news panels now reflect the country you set a moment ago. You might notice different creators appearing, and the charts focusing on videos popular in that specific region. You have now changed your YouTube account country, so your recommendations and charts match the region you prefer. So if this helped, please give the video a quick thumbs up, and subscribe if you want more clear YouTube tips like this.